This is an AI narrated video created using NotebookLM. Let me play it a little bit.
All right, let's talk about transcription. If you're a journalist, a researcher, or really anyone creating content, it can feel like you're climbing a mountain. But what if there was a much faster way to the top? Let's dive in and explore how you can turn all that audio into text smarter and a whole lot quicker. You know this feeling, right? You've got an hour-long...
Now, in this video, I'll show you how to create an AI narrated explainer video using NotebookLM. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I'm going to go back into NotebookLM and I'll more or less go to notebooklm.google. This is the interface you get. Now, I'm going to begin by saying try NotebookLM. I'll click on it. And from here, it's going to kind of bring me on the interface where we have featured notebooks and my notebooks. I'll click on create new notebook. And what happens with NotebookLM is that you add sources so that NotebookLM bases its responses on the sources you provide. So it could be files on Google Drive, a link to a website, a YouTube link, or even text that you can copy and paste, or even use texts, PDFs, audio, and so on and so forth. Now, what we want to create is an AI explainer video. Now, I'm going to choose a file. Select the file you want. I'm going to use a PDF file for this video, but you can use YouTube links, website URLs, and so on and so forth. And I'll click on open. Once I click on open, the sources are going to be on this side right here. And then we're going to get more or less a chart or a summary of what this source includes. You can include a bunch of sources right here for the final explainer video that you want to create. Now, let's assume everything is as you want it to be. You're going to go to the studio section, and if it's collapsed, you can just expand it. And from here, just click on video overview to generate an explainer video presented to you by an AI voice. I'll click on video overview. And once I do that, it's going to generate the video overview. Now, take a note that it does take a while to actually complete. It's a kind of lengthy process depending on the number of sources that you have here. For like this one is just a PDF with about 9 pages, more or less took about 10 minutes. And that is the result that you're seeing right here, this particular video. And as we've seen initially, it's more or less a good explainer video. And if I continue playing,
interview, or maybe a super crucial meeting recording. All that valuable information is just kind of trapped inside an audio file. And the thought of typing it all out, word for word, yeah, it can be completely overwhelming. And you're not wrong to feel that way. Get this, even a seasoned professional typically takes 4 to 6 hours to accurately transcribe just 1 hour of audio. That is a huge time commitment, and it requires some seriously intense concentration and really sharp listening skills. So how in the world do we beat the clock? Well, the first strategy isn't about typing faster. It's about working smarter. It's really about fundamentally changing how you approach the task in the first place by mastering your workflow. Okay.
Now, let's just get out of that. And we all see what it looks like. It looks good, sounds good, and it's something that you can actually use to explain something easily to anyone who needs to understand it. So instead of sending them the PDF, you can send them an AI explainer video narrated by NotebookLM. Now, if you're on the free version, you only have 3 trials at the time of recording this video, or more or less 3 AI generations for the video overview or explainer videos, and also for the audio overviews. So let's see what we are getting. Now, it's not yet done, more or less, but as I mentioned, it does take time. So if you have a ton of content here, then it's going to take a while. But simply put, that is how you can create an AI narrated explainer video using NotebookLM. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.